Hey friends, welcome to Time Trade, a channel about smart and responsible trading decisions. Today, I'll show you how a neural network can actually help improve your trading results when used correctly, not by replacing you, but by enhancing your analysis. This isn't about magic or quick money. It's about combining your trading logic with a reliable tool that gives clear signals and helps you trade more confidently, especially in the currency pairs market. If you're into thoughtful trading without the hype, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss the next breakdowns and insights. And by the way, right now you can connect this neural network for free and keep it forever under the current promo terms. Don't miss the chance. The link is in the description. Let's get into it. I'm going to select a currency pair from the list in the trading bot interface for my first trade. Let's take the Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc. Now I go to Broker Pocket option, and in advance in the search bar, I will set this currency pair. The expiration time in the first trade will be 5 minutes. I will invest $1,700 according to the main rule of money management. To receive a signal, I return to the trading bot interface and press the expiration time button. After analysis, I see that the neural network predicts a downward price movement. Now I go to the Pocket option broker. Carefully look at the chart and assess the situation on the market. Okay, I press the red sell button and watch the progress of this trade. Friends, to trade responsibly and use the help of the neural network, you can take advantage of the terms of the promotion. Now, using the link in the description, you can go to the bot interface and use its instructions to pick up the tool for free. I draw your attention to the fact that the neural network will remain with you forever with full functionality. An unlimited number of signals are given every day, and in the future you will not need to pay any fees for its use. The passability of the trading bot is up to 85%. But for responsible trading, always use your trading logic because the final decision always remains with the person. In this video, I show how the neural network only helps make decisions. I do not conduct financial consultations and do not give recommendations. Here you see only practice based on my experience of using a neural network for trading. If you want to really understand trading on the currency pairs market, I invite you to free training from the Time Trade team. After my training course, you will have the ability to see the market structure, recognize key support and resistance levels, and make logical, informed decisions based on analysis, not intuition. I will show you how to learn to read a chart from scratch, understand why the price moves this way and not another, and how to build your own trading system based on real patterns, not other people's guesses. This training is suitable for those who want to not just copy signals, but develop as a trader, understand the market, and act confidently. If you have long wanted to start, but did not know where to start, or tried, but did not succeed, now is a great time. Follow the link in the description and write me a private message. I will answer and help you start your path in trading consciously and with an understanding of the essence of the market. Friends, I suggest now to conduct technical analysis on the terminal trading view on the currency pair Canadian dollar and Swiss franc. Let's take a close look at the chart and together identify the key areas that influence the price movement. In my opinion, the main zone determining the price movement at this stage is this resistance area from which the general trend is moving down. Let's mark the local minimum from which the price turned up. A local maximum has formed. This is a resistance area that works to lower the price to the next support area. I assume that now we will observe the formation of a new maximum from which sellers will increase their activity and move the price down in accordance with the general downward trend. Well, if you don't have enough experience yet, you can trade using artificial intelligence. If you interpret the signals from the bot correctly, the price movement will be more predictable and understandable. Let me remind you that you will find the link to the bot in the description. Within 30 days, go to the bot interface and take it for free. The neural network remains with you forever. The currency pairs market is not just about charts and technical patterns. Behind every price movement, there are real events, economic reports, political changes, and emotional reactions of millions of market participants. News plays a crucial role in shaping short-term impulses and long-term trends. Sometimes even a small statement from a central bank representative or unexpected data on inflation can completely change the direction of the market. Traders who ignore the news background often find themselves confused when a seemingly strong level breaks without reason or a clear trend suddenly reverses. That's why understanding the influence of a news environment is so important in trading. Today, neural networks have learned to work with this kind of information. They don't just scan headlines, they analyze the overall background, compare it with the behavior of the market in similar situations in the past, and generate signals about the potential direction of price movement. The power of a neural network lies in its ability to instantly process thousands of news sources, take into account current trends, economic indicators, central bank decisions, political instability, and even shifts in market sentiment. While a human needs time to read, comprehend, and assess the significance of each event, the neural network does this in seconds and provides a ready signal that can serve as an important part of your analysis. This is not magic and not about blind following. It's about using a tool that significantly strengthens your own strategy and gives you an edge in making decisions. When your trading logic is supported by a signal that considers dozens of economic and political factors, your confidence grows and uncertainty decreases. That's exactly what you need in a market where every mistake can be costly. If you're looking to improve your understanding of trading and learn how to use such a neural network properly, I invite you to my free training where my team and I help beginners understand how the market works, how to build analysis based on support and resistance levels, and how to use signals from the neural network to make reasonable and thought-out decisions. The link is in the description. Write to us and we'll guide you step by step. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Here we talk about real trading, where smart decisions always come first. Well, the first trade is over. The signal from artificial intelligence and my trading logic brought me profit. Excellent. I will continue my trading session. Let's set the expiration time to 1 minute. I will increase the investment amount to $1,800 and change the currency pair. Let's choose, for example, the euro and the US dollar. Now we return to the trading bot interface and click the currency pair button and expiration time. Artificial intelligence prepares a forecast, and after analysis, I record a signal for an increase in price. According to the neural network, the trend will go up. Well, let's look at the chart and make our trading decision. I click the green button to buy. In trading, it's very easy to fall into the trap of excitement, especially after a few successful deals. Greed quietly takes over, and instead of following a clear plan, a trader begins to act emotionally, increasing the amount of investment and taking unjustified risks. This is the shortest path to losing the deposit. That's why it's so important to always trade responsibly and stay calm, regardless of whether the market is giving profit or showing drawdowns. One of the key principles of professional trading is money management, a set of simple but strict rules that protect your deposit from reckless actions. The most important of them: never invest more than 3% of your entire deposit in one deal. This restriction may seem conservative, but it is precisely this approach that allows a trader to stay in the market for a long time and recover even after a series of unsuccessful trades. If you want to learn how to trade correctly and understand how to combine discipline with advanced tools, subscribe to the channel and be sure to like this video. There's still a lot of useful and honest content ahead. And don't forget, right now the neural network is available absolutely free at the link in the description. Use this opportunity and start trading with a system that truly works. In the meantime, the second trade ended successfully. Thanks to the help of artificial intelligence, many have the opportunity to trade more confidently. These are my personal results. Many also use the neural network and get their own different results. Link to free bot is in description. It was Time Trade Channel. Guys, trade responsibly and consciously.